Can you tell me where is the pigeon? Pigeon. Good job. Okay, give it to Mama so you're not confused, okay? Where is the dog? Where is the dog? Good job. Give it to Mama. Okay, keep it in this basket. Good job. Okay, where is the duck? Good job. Keep it in the basket. Good. Where is the elephant? I don't want the cow. Keep it there. Where is the elephant? Tell me, where is the elephant? Good job. Keep it in the basket. Good job. Now tell me, where is the cow? Good job. And where is the dinosaur? Good job. And the giraffe? Giraffe? Good job. And what's there in your hand? That's a horse. So put the horse also inside. Okay? Yeah, that's a horse.